Hi everyone, today we'll be doing balloon rockets experiment for children in year 1, age around 6 to 7 years old. The learning outcomes for this experience will be for children to explore and be able to explain the following concepts: physical science, thrust force, and mathematics, measurements using informal unit. Use a bigger straw to ensure that the string would not get stuck in the middle of the way. Make sure your string has a smooth texture for the flow of balloon rockets. While the teacher modeling the experiment, please consider the following in terms of safety. Discard the broken balloons for good hygiene because the balloons have been mouthed. Do not leave it on the floor, which may cause accidents. Be aware of choking hazards and latex allergy. Do not run with the straws or scissors. Only let children use scissors under adult supervision. Do not pin, hit, or pinch the balloons. Now onto the steps of the experiment. First, put one end of the string through a straw. Then tie it to a chair. Tie another end of the string to another chair. Blow up the balloon and clip the end of the balloon to keep the air inside. Do not tie the balloon. Tape the balloon to a straw so that the opening of the balloon is horizontal to the ground. Pull the balloon back to the end of the string and make sure that the balloon's opening side is against the chair. Have the children take a moment to make observations and give oral responses about their hypothesis. What do you think will happen when you let go of the end of the balloons? Do you think that the balloons will move forward? The teacher may ask for volunteers to help the teacher release the balloons. Let go of the balloons and watch what will happen.
Balloon rocket race time!
The teacher asks questions to the whole class. What happened when you let go of the end of the balloons? What force makes the balloons move? Will it make any difference if we put more air into the balloons? Which balloon went furthest and why? How can you measure the length? The teacher encourages the children to measure the length using their footsteps. Children may work in groups to collect and record their findings in the chart.
How does this happen?
The balloons flew across the string because of the air and thrust. As the air pushes out of the balloons, it creates a forward motion called thrust. Thrust is the force that pushes something forward, just like the rocket ships thrust through the air onto the white sky. The bigger the balloons, the further they will go because they can push more air out and thrust forward. Today, children also learn how to measure and compare the length of two balloons using their own feet. They can measure how far from the classroom to the playground or sandpit to the school building using their footsteps. The concepts learned from this experiment can be extended for additional learning experiences, such as teaching about formal measurement and time duration in mathematics.
Thank you for watching.